I found these little metal bunny shelf sitters from Target. They were gold, and although I love the gold, I'm going to paint mine white, and I'm going to be using the Wise Owl white primer. The primer is just a good option when painting metal. It helps adhere paint to the metal. But since I'm going to be keeping them white, I'm just going to do 2 coats of the white primer. Now the bunnies can sit facing either the left or the right, so I painted one to face the left and then one to face the right. Now I will set those aside to dry, and I found these little Easter egg decorations. They're like small little wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. They came 14 in a pack, and I'm going to be using 5 of them. I'm going to paint 3 of them using some Wise Owl Robin's Egg. I love this color. It's such a pretty blue for the springtime. And then I took the Raspberry Beret from Wise Owl and mixed it with a little bit of Snow Owl White, and that's what gave me this really pretty pink. And these colors can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I have the wood letters that are going to spell the word hello. They're just small laser woodcut letters, and I'm painting them using some Wise Owl black. I went back to my bunnies, and I'm just going to sand them a very little bit. This just helps get out the brush marks, and also you can allow some of the gold to pop through. Now you can just leave them gold if that matches your decor. I just wanted them to be a little more farmhouse, so I painted them white. I went to my eggs once they were dry and my wood letters, and I'm going to take some Elmer's wood glue and adhere each letter to an egg. Now this Elmer's wood glue I just paint on with a small paintbrush, and I will allow all of that to dry. I then took some white beads, they are the white wood beads, and I'm going to string them onto a piece of jute. I have 6 of them. And then I'm going to take each egg cut out and place one in between each bead. And I'm adhering that to the jute with some hot glue. And I just used the wood bead as a spacer just to make sure everything was evenly spaced out. And I did that until I had the entire word hello hanging from this piece of jute. And then you can cut, leaving a small amount on both the left and right side. Then I'm going to take my first bunny and glue the left end of the jute in the top hand of the bunny. And then I'll take the second bunny and adhere the right end of the jute into the top bunny's hand. The hot glue worked fine with this, but you can also use some E6000. This is what it looks like so far. I decided to add some Spanish moss that you can get right from the Dollar Tree to the base of both the bunnies. And I'm just adhering that down with some hot glue. And then I'll just trim up any long pieces that are hanging over the edge. And there you go. Now we just have this really cute shelf sitter that says hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.